before Bitcoin, I was in stocks. I was a stock hustler. I was researching smaller stocks, like mid-cap stocks and all the things. And it was a full-time job. And that's the thing also with altcoins. Yes, there are great gains in there, and people use altcoins to get more Bitcoin in the end of the day. Most of them that I talk to, but maybe there's a different crowd out there. And I'm always like, but why do you spend all that time to research different projects, research different tokens? They might be really good. Maybe they fulfill a market. I just want to make my work. I just want to provide value for community and then save my financial energy in the most safest asset that I ever saw. And that gives me peace of mind to have more time with my family, with my friends. And I don't have to listen to Q1s and Q2 reports from like Tesla and MicroStrategy. I rather just listen to what my girlfriend is saying. I listen to what my friends are saying and hang out with them before I research stocks. And I had fun doing that. I might do that in the future again. I think it's a better way to provide value and then save that value into one asset that you really like. But I'm curious to know for you, how you see Bitcoin, because I talked a lot about how I see Bitcoin and where my Bitcoin thoughts is coming from. But you have many other assets, as I assume also. How do you see Bitcoin evolving and where do you see Bitcoin going, and where maybe interesting is like, where do you see the full potential of Bitcoin for the coming years, if there is something like that?
Thanks for the question. Interesting. Wilbur, I have never ever thought about it. I'm more focused on a cash flow business with USDT as a main currency. I cannot say that I invest a lot in a Bitcoin because I'm on my way to gain a capital. So my goal is to gain around $40 million. And I think that Bitcoin, yes, is the safest one, like a real estate, but it's the longest way. That's why I put more in Ethereum or other things, because I think that some of the altcoins, they maybe have some more upside potential in case of the price. I cannot understand why we do not grow so fast after we hit 100,000. Because from the economical side, I understood your strategy 100%, because if you invest in Bitcoin, if you have all the transactions in Bitcoin, it means that you believe in it. So, but for me, I try to analyze. So I think I have more financial motivation than a beliefs here. And in that case, I do not understand why on all these positive news, positive media narrative, etc., we do not grow upper, to the 150, etc. So for me, it means that somebody sold it right now, here in the moment. But for the long-term perspective, I think that Bitcoin is great, and I also have a small fund for my kids that I put some amount of money every month to this fund to store some money in a Bitcoin, but not so deep, something like this. I cannot say that I am a big fan of the blockchain industry at all, because I think that we had a lot of technical solutions that are made from one blockchain to help another blockchain to integrate with a third blockchain. So this is more like, doing something for something that nobody has a real use case. That's from my side. So for me, all the crypto field, also including Bitcoin, it's more about speculation mostly. But I like the idea that it can be, this is a gold, this is a digital gold. That's why I store some of the money on it. I can say you about my current strategy. If you want to invest in something, buy Bitcoin. Come to you and tell, hey, let's do this or do this, invest in a Bitcoin. I think investing in Bitcoin on the long term, this is the easiest, the simplest, and the most profitable strategy. Maybe after our discussion, I need to change some of my thoughts, because I'm always try to be open-minded. And I always try to listen people to catch some of the ideas and to learn more. That's the answer. Maybe because that's where I am now.
Interesting, because we are super early, and most people, like, I am a complete outlier. I'm someone that is in a field where only a few people are, where they are completely, fully focused on Bitcoin. I'm getting my money in Bitcoin. Like, I'm a complete outlier.
Hey, if you like this video, don't forget to watch a full episode, and also check the links in the description below.